Welcome back to my YouTube channel Quality Education with Priya Miss Learn with Fun. So today I am going to talk about very interesting topic from EVS, and that is living and non-living thing. So basically, before learning about living things and non-living things, here I want to show you something. Wait, Maharaj, come here. He is Maharaj. His name is, what is your name?
Maharaj Mukesh Dona.
Yes, Maharaj. So when I call him, Maharaj, come here. So he come to me, right? So he is a living thing, right? Now I am having notebook in my hand. If this notebook is here in the hand of Maharaj, and when I will call to that notebook, notebook please come here, can the notebook come? No. So when we talk about living and non-living thing, so it is very important to see their characteristics. So let's learn about the characteristics of living things. So living things are very important. They need water, air and food to eat, and this is very important. To live a life, to the living things, water, food and air is important, as well as living things can grow. When Maharaj was take birth, at that time he was baby, but now he is in UKG class, so he is grown up now, means living things can grow. Living things, Maharaj, go there, come back, jump on your place, breathe in. Yes, so see, living things can respond. Living things move from one place to another place. Living things listen to us. Living things follow the directions which we give. But on the other hand, non-living things cannot, because they are non-living things. They don't need air to breathe. They do not need water to drink, and also they don't need the food to eat. So we are talking about living things. Living things can move from one place to another. Living things can grow. Living things need air, water and food, and also living things can reproduce the same. So examples about living things we can see, those are human beings. Human beings are living things, as well as animals. Many examples are there about animals, means for example cow, sheep, wild animal, domestic animal, pet, all type of animals are living things, and also birds are also living things. So these are the examples of living things. And also we can see the tree. Tree is also the example of living thing. Trees cannot move from one place to another place, but trees can move with the help of air, and also living trees are grown from small to big. So trees are also living thing. But let's talk about non-living things. In the comparison of living things, non-living things do not need water, air and food. They cannot move, they cannot reproduce, they cannot breathe, and also they cannot grow. They cannot move from one place to another place. So examples of the non-living things we can see around us. So many things we can see in non-living things. So some example, this is the water. This is non-living thing. This is not movable, this cannot grow, this bottle do not need food. So this is example of non-living thing. Now I am having in my hand pen. Pen is also non-living thing. I am having in my hand notebook. Notebook is also non-living thing, as well as we can see many things around us of example of non-living things and living things. So you can tell me the many examples. Okay.